In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can sync your Firestick TV remote with your Firestick in 2024. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get our Firestick remote, and then we want to check that it is working just by selecting any of the buttons right here. Now if it's working, what you'll notice is there is a flashing orange light in the top right hand corner. If you don't see this light, what you want to do first of all is you want to go ahead now and just change the batteries by sliding off this right here and changing any batteries that are inside. Now once you've changed the batteries and you have got the orange flashing light, what we can do is we can go ahead now and we can put our back on. And then once we have done this, what we want to do now is we want to select our home screen button, and we want to hold this down for around 10 to 15 seconds. Now what you will notice once you've held this down for 10 to 15 seconds, it will start blinking super fast. So as you can see, my orange light is now blinking really fast, which means it is now in pairing mode. Now all we simply need to do is we need to go ahead and click back now on the home screen one more time. And then once we do this, you can then start using your Firestick remote as you would usually. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.